Malaysia's vaccine minister has urged people to be patient as supplies trickle in slowly, hampering the national immunisation effort. Daily cases have hit more than 4,700. That's another record high. And that is pushing the public healthcare system to breaking point. Melissa Go with this report.
With COVID-19 cases continuing to rise in the country and almost 80% are sporadic cases, the Health Director General, Dr. Noor Hisham, has sounded the alarm. The third wave that's been raging since January this year may just turn into a tsunami, he said. A new variant from South Africa and India are spreading fast and are also a lot harder to treat. Now, the frontline healthcare workers are telling me that some patients are deteriorating fast and sudden. ICU beds in some hospitals in Klang Valley are already full. Now, many have been working double shifts the past week and starting to burn out. Now, efforts are now underway to add more ICU beds by roping in the military and university hospitals as well as the private sector.
ICU yang kita ada sekarang ni adalah 734 katil ICU seluruh negara. Bila kes meningkat secara mendadak pada mungkin akhir bulan ni ataupun pertengahan bulan Jun, kita memerlukan jangkaan kita 1,700 lebih ICU. Jadi sekarang ni kita melihat bagaimana kita boleh menambah katil ICU dan juga peralatan-peralatan untuk bantuan pernafasan dan sebagainya.
Meanwhile, the government's program for the people to opt in voluntarily to receive the AstraZeneca vaccines on a first-come, first-served basis have driven up the rate of inoculation in the country the past week. Now, many Malaysians are rushing to get themselves vaccinated as cases soared. Now, some have been waiting for hours on standby for extra vaccine in case there are others that did not show up for their appointment.
Yes, we are also here to try our luck.
The pandemic is very serious right now. You never know happen. When it's happened to you, you never know.
Then of course I like to get vaccinated as early as possible. But of course we have to wait for the queue.
Now, Vaccines Minister Khairy Jamaluddin, when met at the vaccination centre, was inundated by questions from anxious citizens.
A lot of people are scared of the increased number of COVID cases and they really want to get their vaccinations. We're trying our best to roll it out as quickly as possible. I'm certainly confident of reaching 70-80% by the end of the year. So I just hope that Malaysians will be patient during the next 1 or 2 months while the supplies are still trickling in.
But the pace of national inoculation program has been capped much by limited supplies. Now, it's an ongoing challenge. Vaccines Minister Khairy Jamaluddin said less than 7% of the population have been vaccinated so far. The country has entered into another month-long nationwide lockdown. No house-to-house visit nor gathering allowed this Hari Raya Aidilfitri in a bid to stem the tide and buy time for the healthcare system to recover. Melissa Go, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.